Our puja, what is speciality is that it is a traditional with next, next level mix or next gen mix, you can say. So it is a very traditional, and if you see, I don't know what I call it. It is Bangla. It is called as kulo. So this we bought, we designed and made it. All the decoration part has been done by our puja committee, and the puja committee is doing. They are taking excellent job, and they are doing the fasting from morning till evening. They are not participating in any other thing. There is no enjoyment. They are dedicated there.
Every day in the afternoon, we offer Maa the Prasad. Like Maa also has to be given food to eat. And that food which Maa is offered to eat is called Bhog. And after Maa is offered that Bhog, after the Bhog Arati, we open it to everybody and we do not charge any money for this Bhog. Whoever comes, we ensure that they get fed till the food lasts. So on an average, every day, 2,000 to 2,500 people have food with us, which is the Bhog. So on Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, we have 3 days on which we give Bhog to people. And all the 3 days there are different Bhog.
In 1969, this puja started in Cambridge layout in a garage of some Bengali person. In 69, there are altogether 14 members, Bengali and including non-Bengali also. They jointly made this puja, and that time the collection was 1700 rupees. We made Durga Puja in 1969. That puja is becoming fast. Now our year target is 80 lakhs. We made this. It is growing like anything, and people all over the Bangalore, they are all coming here to celebrate this puja. This is most divine way we make this puja. And this puja, there are 2 types. Vishuddha Siddhanto. This Vishuddha Siddhanto is the most, what you call, authentic about puja and chanting Sanskrit slokas and all. And puja is becoming very popular.